In this video I will show you how to use a deco art paint pen to outline your mold image. Coloring the lines, doing the outline, and from time to time I will tip my pen wrong and I will touch the actual mold, meaning the bottom or the sides of the mold, and you'll see my finger move to wipe that off. You can do that as long as it's still wet. If it's not wet, you'll need to use a little bit of alcohol in the cotton swab, which you will see later on in my film. I have made a few mistakes where I have gone off my imprinted image. I will show you how to clean that up using a little bit of alcohol cotton swab or microbrush. Here I'm just checking over my mold, making sure I got all my lines clean and neat using my alcohol and cotton swabs. All you need to do is just to spray a little alcohol on your cotton swab and then use that to wipe your mold, as you see in my video. I'm just finishing up checking for no more mistakes, like areas where I've gone off the line, because my deco pen touches areas I don't want it to, just to clean it up and get it ready for the resin. Here it is all cleaned up and ready for the resin.